Hello viewers. So today we will see top trending web automation tools 2024. Okay. The first thing is I have named only four top trending. One is Playwright, one is Cypress, Selenium, and Catalan. So I categorized these four are the top trending automation tools. Coming to Playwright, Playwright enables reliable end-to-end testing for modern web applications. So Playwright cross-browser testing. So it is very reliable. So rendering engines include Chromium, WebKit, and Firefox, and also cross-browser testing, cross-platform. So we can do cross-platform on Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So and also runs in headless mode. So Playwright inspectors, no. So these are the this is the inspector we can see by clicking points and explore execution logs also we can see. So you can generate the selectors also. So one more is trace viewer, capture all the information. So Playwright traces. So coming to browser context, right? It is unique. Browser context is a concept creates a unique concept in Playwright. Coming to code gen is there. So assertions, auto waits, these and all comes with the Playwright. So coming to Cypress, right? With Cypress, you can usually create tests for your modern web applications. So this is one of the very good automation tool. So coming to Cypress, right? It tests modern apps directly in the browser. So as you know, right? So Cypress runs on the browser. Coming to Cypress, right? Test. So write your first passing test in minutes. Means within seconds you can create Cypress installation you can do and you can create one test. So because here the Cypress installation is very easy. So there are no servers is required, no drivers and all dependencies are not required. So if you have any debugs, if you want to debug the failures, no, directly you can debug on the browser. That is one advantage from the Cypress. So you can write the test easily, you can debug the test easily, and you can fix the test easily. The fail test. Very good, Cypress. Coming to Selenium, right? Selenium. So as everyone knows, it only knows what you want to automate. Selenium automates browser. That's it. So what do you want to automate? No, how you are going to automate that capabilities Selenium has. So it supported languages. It supports all the languages, cross-browser compatibility testing also. So platform independence. So it works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. So, and also, so it has some strong documentation. So community support is there. So and also it works on the locators. It works on the both CSS as well as XPath locators, assertions, validate, expected, see some outcomes right, and cross-browser testing. So it works on the headless browser mode also, and also it is very easy to integrate with few tools. That is the advantage. Coming to Catalan Studio is one among all the automation testing tools for web API, mobile, and desktop applications. So this is one of the robust framework it has, and also Catalan it is built on Selenium and Appium frameworks. It is very user-friendly interface, and also it is also codeless testing, so you can do codeless. So also it supports Windows, Mac, and Linux cross-platform. All-in-one platform combines web API, mobile, and desktop testing tools. See, web testing it performs across multiple browsers. API testing it performs. So this is one of the demanded tool. So specific companies will use Catalan. And also it supports mobile testing, Android and iOS testing through Appium. Desktop testing is there, handles web, Windows applications automation. Keyword driven testing uses predefined keywords to create scriptless easily. So and also it maintains test object repositories. It supports data driven testing frameworks. And also you can generate the test reports you can view. So more advantages are there with the Catalan. I hope this is video is very helpful, guys. Thank you. So I'm giving, see, in my case, I have handled these tools and I am giving a rating of these tools.